Hello viewers, welcome back again. All English course with Sharif. Today I would like to discuss all about interjections, definition of interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that is grammatically independent from the words around it and mainly expresses feeling rather than meaning. Example: wow, that's an amazing scene. In this sentence, wow expresses surprise. Alas, her father died yesterday. In this sentence, showing sadness. Hooray! Bangladesh has won the match. Hooray! Showing joy. Classification of interjections. Today, I would like to discuss mainly 6 types of interjections. These are discussed below. Interjections for greeting, interjections for joy, interjections for surprise, interjections for grief and pain, interjections for approval, interjections for attention. Let's start our topics. Interjections for greeting. Definition: interjections for greetings are used to greet any person. Examples: hi, how is your health now? Hello, I am Sharif. Hey, I am just kidding. Hi, hello, hey expresses greeting to other person. Interjections for joy. Interjections for joy express happiness or joy. Example: wow, this scenery is so eye-catching. Hooray, I have won the first prize. Yep, we are going for a picnic. Wow, hooray, yep, that shows or expresses happiness or joy. Interjections for surprise. Interjections for surprise express an intense sense of surprise on happening of something. Example: oh, what a hot and humid day. What, you have done this? Hey, what are you doing? Wow, what, hey expresses surprise on the happening of something. Interjections for grief or pain. Interjections for grief or pain express an intense sense of grief or pain in any unfortunate event. Examples: alas, John's father died yesterday. Shows sadness. Oh, the man is so weak. Shows surprise, grief, or pain. Ah, we have lost the game. Pain and grief shows these sentences. Interjections for attention. Interjections used by the speaker to draw the attention of listener. Listen, look, behold, hush are interjections for attention words. Examples: look, the singer is coming. Listen, I am warning you for the last time. Hush, someone is there. These words, look, listen, hush, give your attention of the listener. Interjections for approval. Interjections for approval express an intense approval on something that has occurred. Example, well done, you have done a good job. Bravo, research has scored a goal. Splendid, like your vision. Well done, bravo, splendid expresses approval of